As the United States and its allies target Houthi installations inside Yemen, a high-stakes legal battle is brewing at the United Nations. This as South Africa accused Israel of genocide in Gaza. Amidst global protests, both sides remain entrenched, further highlighting the conflict's complexity and urgency for de-escalation. And today I will break down for you what happened on day one of the hearing. South Africa has formally accused Israel of committing genocide against Palestinians. Now, Pretoria argues that Israel aims to destroy Palestinians in Gaza, population in Gaza. They allege Israel is in violation of the 1948 Genocide Convention, which both countries are signatories to. South Africa is also seeking preliminary orders to compel Israel to stop its military campaign in Gaza. Now, let me tell you the genocidal actions listed by South Africa in their legal suit. Now, the killing of Palestinians in Gaza in large numbers, especially children, destruction of their homes, their expulsion and displacement, blockade of food, water and medical assistance to the Strip, the imposition of measures preventing Palestinian births by destroying essential health services which are crucial for the survival of pregnant women and babies. These are all listed as genocidal actions. On the other hand, Israel, it's issued a statement as well, countering South Africa's allegations of genocide. Israeli lawyers who are due to address the court later today. Israel has fiercely rejected South Africa's claim. Its military says they take a raft of measures to avoid civilian casualties. They've included airdropping flyers, warning of imminent attacks, calling civilians' phones to urge them to leave targeted buildings, aborting some strikes even when civilians are in the way, and the Israeli government has repeatedly stated its intention to destroy Hamas, not the Palestinian people. Now let's listen to what the Israeli officials and Prime Minister Netanyahu had to say about the genocidal accusations put forward by South Africa.
First of all, the October 7 massacre is a genocidal act. That's under any international law, and we can talk more about it later. And what South Africa did on October 8th is blame Israel for what happened on October 7th. So what they're saying today is a huge lie. And they're saying that they are not representing Hamas, but you actually, when they open their mouth, you can hear Hamas talking.
What a twisted world, and it is the IDF, the most moral army in the world, which does everything to avoid harming the uninvolved, that is accused by the representatives of the monsters of genocide. The hypocrisy of South Africa knows no bounds. Where was South Africa when millions of people were murdered and displaced from their homes in Syria and Yemen? And by whom? By the partners of Hamas. A twisted world. Where have you been?
Now, let me also tell you when we can expect a decision in this case brought on by South Africa. Now, the ICJ, it could rule quickly on South Africa's request for Israel to suspend its military campaign. This would, in theory, protect the Palestinians from what might ultimately be declared a genocide. But a final ruling on whether Israel is committing genocide, that could take several years.